Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The 13th generation Intel Core i7-1360P mini PC represents a significant shift in how high-performance computing is integrated into small form-factor environments. This device is designed to bridge the gap between traditional bulky desktop towers and the portability requirements of modern workspaces. By utilizing a processor that features 12 cores and 16 threads, the system provides a level of computational density that was previously reserved for much larger machines. The inclusion of 32GB of DDR5 memory and a 1TB solid-state drive indicates a focus on professional-grade multitasking and high-speed data access. This machine is not just a compact computer but a concentrated workstation capable of handling diverse digital tasks ranging from complex spreadsheet calculations to high-definition media playback and entry-level creative work. When looking at the physical build and design of this mini PC, it becomes clear that efficiency and utility were the primary goals. The chassis is compact enough to fit into a variety of tight spaces, whether that is tucked behind a monitor or placed on a crowded desk. One of the standout features of the physical design is the inclusion of a VESA mount, which allows the unit to be attached directly to the back of a compatible display. This effectively transforms any standard monitor into an all-in-one computer system, freeing up valuable desk real estate. The external casing is designed with thermal management in mind, featuring ventilation pathways that allow the internal fan to move air across the heat sinks efficiently. Connectivity is another cornerstone of the physical design. The front and back panels are populated with a wide array of ports, including dual local area network ports and a versatile USB 4.0 connection. The presence of multiple video outputs allows for a triple display configuration, which is a significant advantage for workflows that require extensive screen area. Performance is where this mini PC distinguishes itself through the specific choice of internal components. The Intel Core i7-1360P processor operates with a base frequency that can boost up to 5 GHz. This high clock speed is vital for applications that rely on single-core performance, such as many legacy software programs and certain web-based tools. However, the true strength lies in the hybrid architecture of the 13th generation chips. By combining performance cores with efficiency cores, the system can manage background tasks without interrupting the primary workload. This matters because it leads to a smoother experience where the computer remains responsive even when several applications are running simultaneously. The move to DDR5 memory is another critical performance factor. Compared to the previous DDR4 standard, DDR5 offers significantly higher bandwidth, allowing the processor to access data more quickly. This speed is mirrored in the storage solution, where the 1TB PCIe4.0 solid-state drive provides read and write speeds that make system boot times and file transfers nearly instantaneous. For those involved in data-heavy tasks, these specifications mean less time waiting for the machine to catch up with the user. The graphics capabilities of this system are powered by integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. While this is not a dedicated graphics card found in large gaming rigs, it is more than capable of driving 3 separate displays at high resolutions. This makes the machine an excellent choice for tasks that involve video conferencing on one screen, document editing on another, and data monitoring on a third. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures that wireless connectivity remains stable and fast, which is essential in modern offices where wired connections might not always be available. The dual LAN setup is a particularly interesting feature for advanced networking. It allows for redundant internet connections, which increases reliability for critical business operations, or it can be used to bridge different networks, making the device suitable for use as a hardware firewall or a localized server. Identifying who this mini PC is best suited for requires looking at the balance of its power and its size. It is an ideal solution for business professionals who require a powerful workstation but work in an environment where space is at a premium. Small business owners might find it useful because it offers the longevity of a 13th generation processor and high-speed RAM, reducing the need for hardware updates in the near future. It is also well suited for home office setups where a clean and minimalist aesthetic is preferred. Creative professionals who work with photo editing or light video production will appreciate the 32GB of memory and the fast solid-state drive, as these components are essential for handling large files. Additionally, the device serves as a robust media center for home entertainment, capable of streaming high bitrate content without stuttering. Educational institutions or labs that need to deploy multiple high-performance units in limited space would also find this model to be an efficient choice. The price of this unit, which sits around $759 at the time of writing, positions it as a premium option in the mini PC market. This cost reflects the high-end components like the i7 processor and the substantial amount of DDR5 memory included. While there are more affordable mini PCs available, they often compromise on the processor generation or the memory speed, which can lead to a shorter functional lifespan. By investing in a 13th generation system with a 1TB PCIe4.0 drive, a user is essentially securing a machine that will remain relevant and capable for several years of software updates and increasing digital demands. It represents a long-term value proposition for those who prioritize performance and reliability over the lowest possible entry price. In a balanced closing thought, it is important to recognize that this mini PC is a highly specialized piece of hardware. It excels in providing a desktop-class experience in a frame that is small enough to be portable. The combination of an i7-1360P processor and 32GB of high-speed memory ensures that it can handle almost any standard productivity task with ease. However, potential users should be aware that the compact nature of the device means that internal expansion is limited compared to a full-sized desktop. There is no room for a full-sized dedicated graphics card, so while it is branded with gaming capabilities, it is best suited for casual or cloud-based gaming rather than high-end AAA titles at maximum settings. For its intended purpose as a powerful, space-saving workstation for the home or office, it offers a very strong feature set. It provides a modern array of ports, including the powerful USB 4.0 and dual LAN, ensuring that it can integrate into almost any existing technical ecosystem. Ultimately, this mini PC stands as a robust and future-proof choice for anyone needing significant computing power without the traditional desktop footprint. It manages to deliver a high degree of performance and connectivity in a package that remains quiet and efficient, making it a reliable cornerstone for a modern digital workflow. By focusing on the latest generation of Intel processing and high-bandwidth memory, the system addresses the needs of demanding users who want a seamless and responsive computing experience every day. Roughly $760 represents a significant investment, but for the performance and the versatility provided, it is a balanced option for the professional or power user looking to optimize their workspace. The transition to this type of compact computing reflects a broader trend toward efficiency and minimalism in technology, where the physical size of a machine no longer dictates the limits of its potential. This mini PC embodies that trend by offering a sophisticated set of features that meet the needs of today and the anticipated requirements of tomorrow. From the triple display support to the ultra-fast solid-state storage, every aspect of the machine is geared toward maximizing productivity and minimizing downtime. For the user who values a clutter-free environment but cannot afford to compromise on speed or reliability, this system presents a well-rounded and technically proficient solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.